species in the world has its place, its own niche, the role and place it takes in the environment. We adapt to our environment to better fill that niche. But some of us are also able to shape our environment to better suit us as well. This is known as niche construction, which humans, for better or for worse, are very good at. Our ability to shape our environment, especially after the agricultural and industrial revolutions, has allowed us to rapidly expand our realized range and proliferate over the world in a variety of habitats. When humans were more susceptible to disease, starvation, and elements, people gave birth early and died young. But now advances in medicine and agriculture allow us to live longer and give birth later. This shift in survivorship trends is known as a demographic transition. But with more people being born and living longer, we need more food, more water, more land, more energy, and more places to dispose of waste. Our demands are ever increasing, yet resources are limited. As omnivores, humans can eat both plants and other animals for sustenance. But unlike other predators, many humans no longer need to hunt for their own food. Now, meat production has been industrialized, and with a growing population and shifting diets, the demand for meat continues to rise. Worldwide meat production has surged from 78 million tons to 308 million tons between 1963 and 2014, a fourfold increase over the course of 41 years. But the increasing separation of production from consumption tends to make us forget that meat comes from living animals, what is necessary to raise them for their meat, and the consequences of this process. Agriculture accounts for 14% of all greenhouse gas emissions. The carbon dioxide emitted to make 1 kilogram of beef, the equivalent of about 4 8-ounce steaks, or 5 McDonald's Big Macs, is equal to that emitted by the average European car every 250 kilometers, about 2/3 of the distance from Los Angeles to Las Vegas. Furthermore, the water used during production is more than 200,000 liters. Pasture needed to graze livestock accounts for 26% of the planet's ice-free landmass. Both the deforestation needed to clear land for livestock production and the effects of global warming destroys habitats and delicate ecosystems. We are destroying the places that other species belong, replacing a diverse ecosystem with many coexisting niches with a more homogeneous one, where even we as humans may not necessarily benefit. If we continue our myopic consumption without being clear that the long-term ecological consequences affects not only other species, but our own as well, it is very possible that we might very well eat ourselves to death.